yuarwe siasa inde mbere ya to kudura ndite kirinteto cia weru themwe a minister kenda kiri 10 barabolo tindi gavana Mutuma kuungo maudi kiri mbunge ya Meru kenda kuono kithira bakomba utungata county ya Meru. Rais William Ruto kinya kanisa na APCA kitha kwire recentment ikire ongwanira kurua mauti ya matharu ya kanisa eu. Athwani Robeli pekiri mpene pakiringanithu kuya ng'ombe ntere chia Bwadhine Embe North. Twaguretera gichunchi gebile kirondoro mwanya iya Riotonga. Hango watu ni kintoto chiwaro the mumuna toma dithio ni Maureen Kiremi nani Mutembe ya Dwanda. A minister kenda kiri 10 baraba dhuroni gavana Mutuma kendo mutetherio tungata county ne ya Meru. Kirege bindi kia wentu kwa duwarinde bethi tawe kinya mbunge ni ya Meru kenda kuungo maori na kuona kithirabe na umba ni bo tungata Meru. Wekumi ura woloterwe sonjo karwitha na wana kuriro kuungo maori alamisi ya kiume tweetite nyuma ya njeyara kuthira kebela kanyene kau kamiti ya wandikandire tongeretu ni speaker Ayubu Bundi ni kuriro nende kuandika riboti na kumikinya ndani ya bunge ukenda MC ba mikulukia na bara ikyo mikulukia nende bakethira bakinyuthu muma kenda kwambirio tungata ndwangine mwanya cia county ya Meru ila bathuriri muthuri Murioki na ribotie.
Mdojo narua kidigiki katikati kanyomba ya Ogambi aja ndene county assembly ya Meru kidigiki nandi kikarini antu kenda pa mdojo narua bakujithinike na bomba kuthujwa nikenda kwa minister ndene county ya Meru wa mbere ni Elias Murega akarira kidigiki agwa moroto jwawe ni gutigira gukire mchetho obairi.
We have stadium like Kedongo which already fence is ongoing, still you need to support it. We have Timau, Oro, Integania, Mwariama. These are stadiums that already will, with the proper planning, adequate budget, we can develop the infrastructure of this stadium, not only for the use of football, but also other sporting discipline, which I commit to follow up. But this can only be possible if we adequately or sufficiently support those programs by allocating more budget here and also through PPPs, that is public-private partnership. And
obairi akiarire mandu ya urimi agokera ikwendekana ni antu bonde beja mwe na kuthia ngwataniro.
Then Mr. Chairman, we also have to partner with our other players like the NGOs, the international groups that come here, groups like ASDSP, groups like ADBP, and those ones will come and subsidize what we have because they are also interested in this. Lastly, Mr. Chairman, we need also as county government to come up with programs that are low cost, high impact in agriculture and life.
Obadatu ni mandu jagi ogima wa mwiri na kuwa moroto jwawe ni gutigira na ndari gitani bagwata thirikari nikenda bomba gwitango gibara amwe.
I know for sure once I get in this particular position, and because I will still be working with the teams from the hospitals, I will encourage us to have a dialogue so that we have a staggered system of how we shall work between ourselves and between ourselves as a government now and healthcare workers unions.
Obana akiarira mandu ja watho no ritingu bo mwingi awakira gikwendekana kwithwe kwina etio na gwitango gina kithomo.
So we'll have a clear-cut responsibilities of our officers who are on the ground. For example, a member of the county assembly has his responsibilities. I wouldn't see a situation whereby ward administrator or sub-ward administrator is going to conflict with an elected member of the county assembly or member of the parliament. We are serving, so we instill some element of professionalism.
Urarungamete mandojo warimu awakira kwenda mbere ntikwegana ikira niana bonde banasari bodo bakenywa shuru.
My first 100 days, I'll start with the ECD. The first one I'll engage the members of County Assembly so that we can implement the issue about the feeding program.
O biashara akiuga thoko ni kubatara muno kinto bila Meru bakulima.
Number one is to improve the conditions of the market to make sure that we have a conducive environment for the traders. Number two, it is to market for their produce, to look for market for their produce, because basically that is the work of this docket, to look for the market. And also liaise with the national government so that we can be able to get...
No mantuja ruji, agwana ije mono, na kumenya gintu kura kikuagia, nikenda gutigira kaunti Meru, ikuagirido kimantuja gindoji.
And the most glaring issues is the collaboration between the county assembly and the executive when it comes to implementation of these policies and laws, and even dealing with the issues of budgetary and the frameworks that are there. Based and armed with that experience, Honorable Chair, I believe and I know the challenges that we are facing in the department that have been nominated.
Barabara noe arwagire kubatara nikagitagara barabara inda kubidwa kuina omba ni bobu.
Action. This has got to be done within this period of time. How do you do that? We have work plans. We have procurement plans. And these ones have got timelines. So we've got to beat that. In any case, we do not want to retain government money, county money, in the treasury and up to the end of the year. And we know if it is found in the treasury, at that time, it will go back. And it may be so difficult for us to get that money back.
Na mudiene ndwege kigina akiwa ntobora thomete nyanto kwitania ngugi kuri amwe kwina umirio.
The many projects I've handled, especially in the lands department, I've learned the power of multi-agency implementation of anything from the one to go to the end. These are steps that we need to sit down together. We need to form a committee, including the representative from the schools, the county assembly, and the executive, to brainstorm on the way forward because of the limited resources.
Muthuri Murioki, Oro TV, Mutiri wa Kangangi. Musiasa Mithika Mzalendo na kenerete tuare kuthuyo kwa minista baraba olotero ni gavana Mutumaki endo tungata Amiru. Akere Mzalendo wite kutina thina kinya Mutumaki thira akiolota tongere batunisa twanyene mwanya akiwa kuri antube na matheta indi watikwo na thina nwereku kiri kuolotwa kwa tongere ba nkuluki nonekete kumeneria Peter Munya na kumwira Mutumaki gavana kuwatila na netere 2027 bakethira bakiathro nondebene ni akari ba county Amiru. Antone Kathenya na ribotie.
Akialia leo bisini jaya muja Nairobi, muteteru arera na mwanasiasa Mithika Mzalendo, leo ni akathitwo tarani bwa mawaziri kiri thirikari ya Mutumanto ithinkia, bama ba mawaziri balaba thoje twomde na kugotarani bobo thithito bokithingathagira mauntu kathomba, ile weligiro bwa kari, umwe bwa balaba taritwe, weligiro bwa tongera bagi siasa, ongangania bwa region de Amiru, amwe na sekta nkurani, ile wa yudi na ekoro.
Thaino kuona kwina era kwitawa fallout kidogo na kwiba wiritwe na kwibati wiritwe yau nayo no twerigirite no twatike meawa point kwina only cabinet position twanya 10 na antu iberigirite baba ingi muno kogo utekirigira antu ba bonde are satisfied akwole ile cabinet ira ni cabinet ya point akitika interest na kiali lasia. Either number one, ira itawa matarajio yantu. Number two, ira itawa expectations ina kithungu. Competence. Kana muntu nabati kuikwa, ara urobati kuikwa, ena profession weke, ira abati kuithirari. No mwanga ke balance political interest. Irege ni kumbalance. Every constituency kenda kuithira kwina ira itawa regional balance, sectoral balance, nekirite ayuthi nekirite ekuru nekirite pou yauteka ye mantu amanene kidogo lakini no kuona neretie na agekira yau yonthe.
Kulingana na Mzalendo ni kumilite antu bamwe bala batinganirite n'utalani bobo amwe no gunyalitia tongore bagi siasa kwinge wirane boba kwebano bangane bo thirikari ya Meru wirane bula banenkanire kiri mambura makunyithe muma mutuma ntwaithinkia
ndiratwa mutuma ari ya Bible ara mwenda ntu o mutongeria Roma amwira akaua batu tutibati interfere omuntu atongeri basoke ngwine sio dendre it is upon mutuma kumenya kethira na atimizire yara na atongeria baraba wire batibati interfere ingwe kintu kira ko baromba ibetikire kinya batu no tware na interest.
Kulingana na Mithika Mzalendo, Gavana Mutume na Wendibo wa Meru Bonde, Mzalendo agitetagira gutwara kwa Reverend Kathumba kiri thirikari ya Mutuma na kuga Meru bakathujo tungata bwa Mutuma kuma no rutungo gibwae. Mzalendo liwakiuragia Meru kugwata mbaru Mutuma na kanjwa ya mawaziri kenda rutera Meru wera bula kubatelie.
Mutume na ngudi wilianto na ingwete kia karitiranto kuge kintu kira tubati kwithithia ni tumusapoti na atongeria bareke na andwa ira nyingi kenda tumba kundeliva tu Meru ari tango gibwega ni antu ba munjanji kwina atongeria baingi bakwendete gavana lakini thai timantu akwaririe te gavana katuone Meru mbere yutulia turi urao ena wake bo support urakaumba na capacity yake katu support uratukaumba.
Amwe nogo kagitagaka Mithika Mzalendo na utiorali gavana wa Meru na waziri Peter Munya kwa giteo gavana Mutuma ntwaithinkia na kumulekithira kenda gitikia ugavana etere mpaka mwaka 2027
na areke omwira ni gavana interim nontu yoi madharau antu iba kuona yoi madharau ni mwasiri ya isima na akio mwasiri ya isima nontu bwana kuthwania na umite na regembe Meru ni mari ya thatu yari muregembe yari ringi ria tigania yari ringi ria imenti.
Kuma muji muneno Nairobi, Mbita Anthony Rangi wa Kadenya.
Rais wa Kenya William Ruto na kinyita kanisene IPCA kithaku kire ongwana ara kurua mauto ya matheru ya kaniseu mambura ya okari na Kenya na Meru Kathumba. Rais ya Kiaria nekirite Meru wira nebo kuthira wagage na bwamba bwa ndithie menkene ya Meru no Rwanda harwe mbenatiania gavana Mutumana wa Kiaria nethirite akiwa barabara ira berero rais ya mona mwirana yangine yamdirite kuingwa. Rais akiwa kiumekini barekerete bilioni 1.5 ishilekenda kurikia waka barabara ilikuwa mikaunti ya Meru. Mutugikare na ripotie.
Narua kiathone ya kanisa cha IPCA kia kutharima maguta ja matheru ja mwaka jwa 2025 gwita mwaka jwa 2026 kiria kiothithikite kanisa ya IPCA St Nicholas kithaku nikio ri na tongeria Kathumba bagi siasa bale MCs bambunge ya Meru abunge PS na mawaziri gavana munini wa rais na kinya rais William Ruto arane bakai baerwe kanyaga kwaria na kiaria gavana wa Meru Mutuma ntwaithinkia ethira kiorota thinere ethirite kira Meru miankeni ya Isiolo akiuga ni etenta bareko na no wetete na mbere gutema ntame akiuya laisi abetekeria baje rungu bajo kietagaria njare na chaura guikaria untubura na ndreise ugite agategera na kiromba gavana ntwaithinkia kajo kia rungu.
Nitakuomba ruhusa kama gavana wa Meru tutengeneze marungu tupitie hapa. Nipe tu ruhusa. Unajua wa Meru si waoga? Katwethaira tubugai atukuangi waoga baba.
Na kusihi gavana, please musitengeneze marungu. Hiyo kazi uniwachie.
Na ndinga bana ntwaithinkia ria rais Ruto kurita watho bomwake na Meru ithire kiora ara rais Ruto ugite ni untu ni baruite na thina eje ya ukaria mirigene mwanya kiri mongo jwa Kenya kinya ya Meru ete bale mabare na monini wawe kithure kindike.
Ile dawa ilitumika Bonny Enclave na Northeastern maneno ya Al-Shabaab hiyo dawa itatumika hapa na tutaondoa hii shida ya watu wa Meru kupata shida za kiusalama.
Your Excellency, ni jambo moja tu inatakiwa kwako, amri moja, na Meru tupone. Tumeongea na your deputy this morning, akatuambia solution ya hiyo Northern Grazing Zone ni conservancy. Amenipa appointment on Tuesday na viongozi wetu, twende tuone vile tutafanya.
Hii yenu ya Meru pia nitaishughulikia, na my deputy atawaeleza vile tutasongesha hiyo mambo.
Kingi Rais Ruto na ugite na dikene baga gutirimana na tongeria ba Meru na kabeta mweri jwetano kenda baga karanthie bareria witi na mbere ba county je na ngaba na ntwe thinkia na gwetete mirandi mwe ne amberete koritwa kumaria Ruto erika kwija Meru na Ruto akiuga na rekerete kigena chiringi bilioni 1.6 kege barabara cha county je.
Zile barabara zote uliacha ukisema zitatengenezwa kuanzia Keria mpaka kule Egembe North area inaitwa Ndomoru, barabara zote ameniambia kuna zote ma engineers wameripoti kazini. Wiki ijayo anakuja Meru pamoja na maafisa wako wa Ministry of Health, wakuje watembee hospitali yetu, na pia the same department Ministry of Defense waende kwa stadium ya Maua waangalie ni kazi gani imebaki, ndio mambo iendelee kama ulivyoamrisha. Stadium yetu hapa Kinoru Stadium imetengenezwa kwa miaka 7. Tunaomba uturudishie hiyo stadium ikiwa vile iko, kwa sababu tumengoja iwe completed na yule contractor aliwekwa pale haifiki mwisho. Wacha irundi kwa Meru County Government tuitumie. Ukitupanga kwa hii budget yenye tunaingia ya mwaka ujao, tutakurudishia utumalizie.
This week tumerelease 1.2 billion ya Meru ya wale contractors wenu wa barabara. Nimesema tutajukua jukumu la kuinua ile hospitali yenu ya Meru pale referral liko chini, tunataka tuinue iwe a proper and I have told the necessary people to come and do the inspection so that we know what to do, and all the other things ni vile tulikubaliana wakati nilikuwa hapa.
Muthiene Rais Ruto na ugite no edete na mbere kureta ndo
necessary people to come and do the inspection so that we know what to do, and all the other things ni vile tulikubaliana wakati nilikuwa hapa.
Muthiene Rais Ruto na ugite no edete na mbere kureta ndo bonde.
Kenya ni pana, Kenya ni pana.